welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. I just want to say a huge thank you for everyone who's subscribed to my channel, and I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm out in beautiful North Yorkshire. As you can see, it's snowing. So what I've done, I've put a little video together for everybody where I've all the classic car shows I've been to this year, which is I've just been overwhelmed. It's been absolutely fantastic meeting everybody. So yeah, I picked out some of my favourite cars, so I think the video's about 10 minutes long, so enjoy while you're stuffing yourself a Christmas dinner. On that note, seat above it all. Wow, check this out, guys. This is a minter. Well sorted. Very nice. Absolutely gorgeous Range Rover. I really like these. These are probably my favourite Range Rover. That'd be worth a fortune. Class. Right, guys. I used to have one of these cars, and mine was British Racing Green. I don't think I'm going to see another one of these. Toyota Celica 1.6 ST. I was talking to the owner, and he's the second owner. Look at that. Mint. Lovely car. Beautiful colour. It's like a turquoise colour.
Original colour, Ryan, turquoise.
Very nice car. The handle better than the Capris. Sorry guys, you Capri owners, but this is the car for me here. Absolutely fantastic. In awesome condition. Because these were rot boxes back in the day. That's why there isn't many left on the road, and it's the only one here. The guy's going to start it up. Just gotta love the sound of these. Very nice. She smells nice as well.
Well done. Thanks for bringing in the arena. Good. Right.
Yeah, that's one of my favourites of the show. Yeah, check this out, guys. Guy's just gonna open the bonnet now so I can have a look at it. That's well sorted. Two and a half litre V8. Check them out, guys. Right, in my opinion, this one is the star of the show. Along with this beauty. So it's a tie, I think. Yes, my favourite car here today is the Trans Am, Mr. Bandit. It's the one that have the Trans Am. Right guys, I can actually get round this thing now. The Opel GTE. Look at that puppy in there. Very, very nice. The trumpets. That's well sorted. That's killer. It's probably one of my favourite cars here. That is just so cool. Really cool car. Very nice. Right guys, here we have an RS 2000. One with another cam belt exposed. Cosworth engine in it.
Right, yeah. It's never had a day's illness in his life. Yeah. And a few weeks ago, he started getting a bit sick. Yeah.
Well sorted. Check this well sorted Capri out. That's very straight as well, isn't it? But one of the stars of the show, guys. Check this out. Now it looks red on camera, but it is orange. Well sorted. Absolutely immaculate. Hillman Imp. Now these are very rare, especially in this condition. It's lovely colour as well. That's well sorted. Very nice. It's a super imp. That's well sorted. Right, this is very nice. Another cool car. E-type convertible. They'll look really, really well. Maybe a V12 this one. Yes. Such a pretty car. Right, in my opinion, this one is the star of the show. It's an original AC Cobra. Absolutely stunning. This one is the best car here, in my opinion. This is the one I would want. Stunning originality. Absolutely stunning. So in my opinion, guys, this is the best car here, or the most stylish car here. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Right, I'll come back to this one, guys. I heard this burble bike coming in while I was waiting for a coffee. It's automatic. Really want a stick shift one. But it is nice. I like the colour. It's orange. just love the shape of that thing. It's cool. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Rolls Royce. Absolutely stunning, this car. It's well side. I was having some good banter with the owner. Champagne. This is lovely. Very nice. And look at this. This is how the other half live. Yeah, exactly. Well, one's been invited over with the Rolls Royce Brigade for some champagne. Very nice. This DB6 is a gorgeous olive green. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. That's just class. It's left-hand drive. Stunningly beautiful. Stunning.
Now just some practical arrangements all around the field.
I'm a big Aston Martin fan, as you can tell.
Crafted together. And that's part of the philosophy.
As you can see. Look at them all. The stakes. There we go. Going through the Triumph Stakes. Big meeting here today for them all. But you all know which is the best one. And there she is. Right, guys and girls, let's see how good the Range Rover is in the snow. Guys and girls, this is where we need to be.